Hey guys, I've been getting quite a few questions on how to add page numbering in Microsoft Office Word 2007, so I figured I'd make a quick video tutorial about it. Today I'll be going through here page numbering in general. I'll also explain sections to you, and finally how to make a cover page to your document which does not have the page numbering, which is quite nice if you're doing an essay or some scientific paper. So let's get started. First of all, I will divide this document up into two pages by adding a page break right here. There you go, you can see I have two pages. So, if you want to add like simple page numbering, you can go to Insert, and you can go to Page Number. And there are plenty of different styles to choose from here, the predefined styles. I usually like to have it something like this, and the bottom right corner. I like to do it on my own though, and to do that you will go to the page footer, double click it, see footer here, yeah. You will go over to the right part of the footer, like this. You can type page, and then you want the dynamic page number. So you don't want to like hard code one into there. So you go to Insert, and you go to Quick Parts, and you click Field. So Quick Part Field. Here you will find a nice list of plenty of options to pick from, and you will go look for page, which insert the number of the current page. We go OK. Page 1. You can see that in both footers. Page 2, page 1. Would be nice to add a slight detail here. Page 1 of the amount of pages in your document. So we go to Quick Parts again and go to Field. And now we will find something called num pages. The number of pages in the document. Here we go. Page 1 of 2, page 2 of 2. Beautiful. So, to enable us to make the change as we explained in chapter 3 here, cover pages without page numbers, we will have to change this last one from num pages to something called section pages. But first of all, we will add this section, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. I will remove this one, and we'll go to View and Draft. So this is the draft view. Here we will see all the sections in our document. As you can see, or can't see, I don't know, we don't have any sections right now. So to add a section, we will go back to the print layout, which is the default layout of Word 2007, and we will go to, let's see here, yes, page layout and breaks. There you go, breaks, and want to add a section break after this current page, like this. Oh, it added a completely new page now, so I will move this up here a little bit, like this. So there should be a section break between these two pages now. Let's go again to the draft view to make sure that our section break is right there. There we go, section break, next page. Beautiful. We'll go back to the print layout view, and we will start modifying our footers here. Double click the page 2 footer, click it somewhere like there, yeah, and go up here to the design view, and we disable this link to previous. Now these two footers, they won't be linked to each other, so we can modify them independently. I can add hello in footer 2, and it won't show up in footer 1. But we don't want to add hello, we want to remove the content of the footer in page 1. Still see we have the footer in page 2. Now we will go and add the section pages from the Quick Parts field. Go to the list again. We go to here, section pages. Insert the total number of pages in the section. Okay. Page 2 of 1. Wait a minute. It still says page 2. That's not right. So we have to modify which page it will start counting from. So we go to page number. You remember this view I showed you earlier? Yep. But instead of going here, we go to Format Page Numbers. We click it, and we will see some properties for the page numbering. we go. Start at. Page numbering start at page 1. It doesn't really make a lot of sense, I'd say, but it will work. It will start counting from 1 at the first instance of the number field. So page 1 of 1. Let's close the design view and add some more pages to see that it works. I add a third page. I will scroll out for you to see. Here's our third page. And you can see we have footers in page 2 and 3. Or page 1 and 2 if you like. Page 2 of 2 and page 1 of 2. Excellent. I hope that helped you some. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Take care, guys.